Effective techniques for burping your baby. Burping your baby. Burping your baby is essential to help them release swallowed air, which can otherwise lead to discomfort or indigestion. Lap burping. Lay your baby on your lap, facing downwards. Lift your baby up until their chest rests on your shoulder. Gently rub or pat their back to encourage burping. Shoulder burping. Hold your baby upright with their head tilted slightly forward. Support their neck and back securely. Pat their back gently while in this position. Upright position. Hold your baby upright with their head slightly tilted forward. Support their neck and back. Pat their back gently to facilitate burping. Prepare for spit up. Your baby may regurgitate some milk during burping. Consider using a bib and placing a receiving blanket or soft towel on your lap or shoulder to keep clothes clean and simplify cleanup. By using these techniques, you can help your baby release trapped air and prevent discomfort or digestive issues. Burping your baby after feeding is an important aspect of infant care that promotes their comfort and well-being.